Your project overview. Actually, it is a machine learning assignment. So, using Python. So, assignment data design and application of machine learning system for practical problems. So, it is a theoretically problem and explanation of using Python. So, it is a k-means clustering, linear regression of appropriator. Yes, the learning process of procedure k-means clustering. It is k-means clustering always linear regression model. So you are providing the database, that is this thing. So C802p2 data.zip file. So already I download that one, so I will show that one. So you are asking p2 test tn.csv file and prediction this file and p3 another thing. So that is a yes, p3 ce0 ce2. So please see here, right? So it is a machine learning project. So it is a analyze of what data. So it is profit or loss. Actually you are mentioning here is hotel mention. So hotel mention according to the visit of any person. So manager, so he has some knowledge machine learning what needed. So explain recommended learning method works. So we develop that things. So the final way of working is skeletal learner dialogy. It is a pandas, MATLAB, skeleton. Everything is installation process. So I will show it to you. Now so your requirement is .ip.ipnpy. Your requirement is this one, ipynb. I set this file name. So let's go to our project. Okay, so this is Jupyter. I'm using software. So this is a Python version. So check here if you want any installation or doubt anything. So please ask me. Feel free. Definitely I will explain this. Actually this is what data bus p2 and p3. So p2 is data.csv, p3 is data.csv. So both are .csv format. It is easily can do everything. Your requirement. So that's why your requirement is most important. So that's why taking your requirement data process. See here, this everything is your requirement. Okay, so coming to our project. So this is the p2 project. I'm closing this one, and p3 also I'm opening machine learning project. So I'm putting the heading separate, both are separate. You are sending the separate database. So p2 and p3. So me also segregation. Okay, there is installation process. So everything I commented and I executed. Okay, it is working fine. So if you have any doubts about this project, let me feel free contact me, or you can go on search in Google. So you'll get is you are asking graphs, MATLAB, graphically images. So this thing, okay. This is splitting of in training data answer. Suppose if you have any data about this thing, we have to split. That is the variable names. Our data I have to split. That is the thing. So everything I commented it. Everything I commented here. So check here. Now I'm going to check in showing the p2. So this is the package of installation process. So this is your database. So everything I commented, if you can easily find out that one easily. Okay, so p2 is separate and p3 is separate on tst and tested.csv file also separated. Okay, so overall the data is separation. Okay, you can easily find out this thing. That's why I'm saying to you. So this is not a problem actually. Yes, that is the package installation problem. So that is thing. Okay, this is the thing also. Yes, completed. So I am sharing again to you. So your requirement is I am downloading to you. Okay, I am downloading in front of you. Our requirement is .ipnynp web. So if you want, you can go and check it. Okay, otherwise no need. Okay, both are our requirements. So if you don't need any requirements, please install all .py file. Okay, .py file. We're asking python.py file if you want. That is better way of everything. Okay, this thing also I'm sharing to you. Both all are same. So okay, I hope you understood very well. This about concept is mainly the worry of project is find out the linear regression values on the highest and lowest hotel management. It is increase or decreasing. So find out everything. So please go and check it everything. Okay, thank you so much.